There's really no other way to say this report except wow. Consumer confidence for October came out today much higher than expected. It is Tuesday, October the 29th, and we received the information from the conference board today, which showed that consumer confidence rose to the highest level since December of 2022, and it was the biggest jump we've seen since March of 2029. Both components that they look at, both confidence on the present situation as well as expectations for the economy, both of them rose, which was a bit surprising. And the expectations for the economy came in the highest since 2021. So what really drove this? First of all, it's job market optimism. You've got jobs plentiful, so those thinking that jobs are plentiful, it's the highest since 2021. And those saying that jobs that are hard to get, that actually declined. Well, this is kind of contradictory to the jobs data that we've received, where we've seen a slowing in the additions of payrolls. We did see the unemployment hold steady here and actually modest decline in the past month, but it still has been rising over the past 6 months. The share of respondents in this survey that think that their financial situation will improve over the next 6 months, that was the highest in 2 years. Now, I'm not going to, this is a great report where there's really nothing else to say about that. It was a good report. All of the, not only ages, but income levels rose in this report, but it doesn't coincide with what we're seeing, the biggest concerns when you look at from the election and the polling situation. And most are concerned about their financial situation. They're concerned about inflation. So we'll take this report. It was good news for the consumer. The markets actually are a bit concerned about this only because what does it mean for the Fed? Does it mean the Fed can pull back from interest rate cuts? And that's something that has been baked into the market. We're seeing bond yields, they're rising along with inflation expectations. And typically you see inflation expectations rise when you get this type of uptick in consumer confidence and better than expected readings on some of the economic data. So markets are taking this with a mixed bag. Again, the consumer confidence is a very volatile report. We'll take it good for this month, but last month it was poor, and we'll see what happens the next month. There's a lot more data this week. We'll be back tomorrow with the advanced reading of GDP. If you do like this podcast, please hit subscribe, hit the alarm bell, share it with friends, family, or colleague. And if you'd like a history of our podcast, you can go to marketswithmegan.fm. Thank you.